tarka, vitarka, nirvitarka. Tarka is logical reasoning. Vitarka, a specialized way of thinking. Nirvitarka, to go beyond thinking. Ordinary mind is, quarreling mind. Tarka. Ordinary mind is quarreling mind. It is tarka, debating mind, conflicting mind. A contemplative or meditative mind is vitarka. Contemplating mind is vitarka. Vitarka means a special thought, special way of thinking, special way of life one has accepted. So there is no debate, no conflict at all. Suppose a seeker, he is thinking what is good. Should I practice this path or that path? Once one has chosen a path, so there is no way to think this path or that path. All paths are good, but I have chosen this path, it is good. Good for me, finish. When I am in this one path, for example, again, I should be a vegetarian or non-vegetarian. I should meditate more or I should study more. Again, there is tarka, debate. So once one takes a decision and sticks to it, then it is vitarka, contemplative, meditative mind. There is no conflict, there is no debate. Once decision is there is no deliberation. No deliberation once there is decision. Now, once you have decided this is the path, now you are going in the path and you go to a state, I don't want to go anymore, I feel inwardly little content, I should stop here. Stopping at one place without any effort, even if staying in one thought, but thought is not affecting you so much, that is known as Nirvitarka Samadhi. It is defined with the previous two words or three words you can tell. Artha, Matra, Nirvasa. There is no sabda, there is no sound, there is no word, there is no name. Only the light of its meaning is there.